Good morning, lovelies. This morning I wanted to talk about the not-so-secret success to sustainable weight loss. Look, the diet industry is $1 million industry, and there is so much confusion around there. I've been in the industry for nearly 30 years, and I can tell you that there is no easy solutions. There is no quick fix, and there is no cookie-cutter diet that is going to give you long-term success. What I have found is that there is actually 4 ingredients that you need to be able to make any changes sustainable. Now, with these ingredients, you might need different proportions depending on you, depending on your lifestyle, your personality, and where you've been in the journey so far. So the first ingredient is your mindset. You need to understand how you relate to food, your relationship with food. Do you have an addictive personality? Are you the sort of person that takes comfort in eating? Do you hate cooking? All these things need to be taken into consideration and looked at, because otherwise we just white knuckle a diet for 6 weeks and we come off the diet, and then all these old patterns of behaviour, these old ways of relating to food just come back. So we need to be able to understand them and discuss ways to be able to work through them, so that we create new neural pathways in our brain so that we don't stay on that old track. The second one is education. You need to understand what food is doing to you. This is where diets fall down as well, because you follow something for 6 weeks, and then when you come off, you're none the wiser about really what you need to be eating to be healthy for the rest of your life. So this is key to give yourself the confidence to be able to know how to nourish yourself for the rest of your life. So you can pick up a packet and know that most of the claims on the packet are just marketing hype. And you can turn over and look at the ingredients and go, actually, no, I know what that does to me, and I don't want that in my body. So education is key. The third one is the practical applications. This is the meal planning and the prepping. So understanding, once again, your personality and what that looks like for you. So, whether that's, a weekly menu plan or a 3-weekly, or something where you can just have a list of meals that, you're going to make that week, but you get to choose every day what it is. But it's really important to know what you're going to be eating, because we know what happens when you get to 5 o'clock at night and you're starving and you don't know what you're going to eat. Not a recipe for success. The fourth one is the lifestyle. We need to be able to bring in all the factors, because just your meal planning and prepping and your diet doesn't stand alone. It's affected by everything else that's going on. Your sleep affects whether we've got the energy and the motivation to do what we've said we're going to be doing. We also need to be exercising, and then there's relationships and social settings. So all of these things play a part. Your mindset, education, the practical application, and the lifestyle all play a part. But depending on you and your journey and your personality is going to depend on the quantities of each of those 4 that we need to spend time in. So I hope that helps. If you would like to know more about the way that I work with my clients, I work with them over a 3-month period so that we can spend time in all of those 4 areas and set you up for success, then I invite you to comment below or PM me, and we can jump on and have a chat. Have a great day, and pop any questions below.